Learning time. Hello, welcome to 10 with Love. Have you ever wished you could make your own food without cooking, without shopping, or even moving around, without need to go to the kitchen? Imagine standing outside in the sun and making a delicious meal from thin air. Sound like a superpower? Doesn't it? Well, plants have been doing exactly that for millions of years. Every tree, flower, and blade of grass around us is a tiny food factory. And today, we are going to discover the amazing process that allows plants to make their own food. This is called photosynthesis. Let's find out how this incredible nature miracle works. I am Tito Additional. The word photosynthesis may sound complicated, but it can be broken into simpler parts. That is, photo and synthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means putting things together. So, in a simple word, we can say photosynthesis means putting things together using light. It is the process by which green plants use sunlight to manufacture their own food. Note, it is the process by which green plants use sunlight to manufacture their food. Unlike human beings and animals, plants do not need to hunt, buy groceries, or cook meal. Instead, they produce food right inside their leaves. But what ingredient did they use? Let's go. To make food, plants need four important things. The first thing is the sun. The second thing, the water. The third thing, carbon dioxide. And the fourth thing is the chlorophyll. Let's take them one after the other. For the sunlight, which is the first ingredient, the sun provides the energy needed for the process, while water, which the plants absorb from the soil through their roots. The carbon dioxide is a gas found in the air. Plants take it through tiny openings in their leaves called stomata, while the chlorophyll is the green pigment found in leaves. It acts like a solar panel, capturing sunlight and turning it into usable energy. Think of chlorophyll as a tiny worker inside the leaf, collecting sunlight all day long. Now, let's put everything together. Water travels from the root up to the leaves. The carbon dioxide enters the leaf from the air. The sunlight shines on the leaf and is captured by chlorophyll. Using the energy from the sunlight, the plant combines water and carbon dioxide to produce glucose. Glucose is a type of sugar that serves as food for the plant. The plant uses this food to grow taller, produce flower, develop fruits, and stay healthy. But that's not all. A very important byproduct is also produced, which is known as oxygen. The oxygen is released into the atmosphere through the leaves. And guess who needs the oxygen? Human, animal, and many other things. Many other living things also depend on this oxygen. Every breath we take is connected to the work plants do every day. You can see, plant is very, very important, even for we animal, not only for food, but also helps in our survival or respiration. Why do we now need photosynthesis? Is it important? Now let's look at the importance of photosynthesis. Imagine a world without photosynthesis. What do you think is going to happen? There won't be no forest, no fruits or vegetables, no crops for farmers, no food for animals, and very little oxygen for humans to breathe. Life on Earth would be almost impossible. Photosynthesis is one of the most important processes in nature because it supports nearly every food chain on our planet. Plants are called producers because they make their own food. Animals and humans are consumers because we depend on plants directly or indirectly for our own food. Even if you eat meat, the animal you eat probably feed on plants. Don't you agree with me? So indirectly, we are still feeding on plants. So, in one way or the other, photosynthesis helps feed the entire world. Now, let's dive in to some amazing facts about photosynthesis. Here are some fascinating facts about photosynthesis. A light tree can produce enough oxygen in a year to help support the breathing need of several people and animals. Tiny ocean plants like plankton perform photosynthesis too. In fact, they produce a significant portion of the Earth's oxygen. That means every second, millions of plants on land and in the ocean are working together to keep our planet alive. And they do it silently. Ooh. Therefore, next time we are doing things to help others, do it silently. No noise, no smoke, no pollution. Just sunlight, water, air, and nature's amazing design. What a wonderful design. Let's quickly recap on what we have done. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food using sunlight. To do this, they need sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and chlorophyll. The result is glucose, which feeds the plant, and oxygen, which is released into the air. That is, the one we are depending on. Without photosynthesis, life on Earth, as we know it, could not exist. So, the next time you see a tree, a flower, or even a patch of grass, remember that you are looking at a living food factory that helps produce and provide the oxygen you breathe every day. Nature is truly amazing, isn't it? If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friend. See you in the next exciting science adventure. Remain yours, pen with love.